Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit, and I am on page, I don't know, 4 of my new Ancestor junk journal, and this is a birth of a girl page. So I've got a few items here that I've got set to go, and we'll just have to figure out how we want to put them together. So all right, I guess I'll go ahead and start with the background, which is this paper. This is kind of like a French country style that I've got going on here. So get my scissors, whoop, and I don't know how much I want here. Maybe just here. I don't need that whole page covered. I'll trim these, and I've got a bunch of little goodies that I've got set aside to see, and we'll see how we can put all these together. So I'll try a little distress here. I don't know, this kind of pad isn't, oh, it's on the wrong side. What the heck? I don't know how that happened. Maybe this will work better. Just get this nice distress, kind of an edge going on with it. All right. I'm just not going to use that kind of inky thing anymore because it's just not working. If it's not working, don't do it, right? All right. So yeah, we've got quite a few goodies here. Got these little tags ready. Got this and this and that. So yeah, got some fun goodies. So I guess I'll just start with the paper as my background. Get some ink on there. And my goals for this is basically to have a little description of the name, the state of birth, let's see, what else do we need on there? A pocket to add any other birth information, and then of course just some goodies to have on there as well. All right, so we've got our page. We've got this little piece here. I'm thinking I like that little deal. It's snowing here today on this December day, and the roads are kind of slick, and I seem to have lost my ink dauber. Let's see if we can get another one. Yeah, so the roads are slick. Sounds like somebody's outside trying to get unstuck from the snow. We got a little ASMR and going on in this video with my husband digging through the freezer. You can't hear me. He's got his headphones in. Well, that's cute. I'll just glue that down. Oh, geez. Yeah, I really like that. I don't know, it kind of sticks out, but I think that's fine. That definitely says baby girl, I think. Ink on there, ink glue. think I want that to go down here. And then maybe I'll add a little fabric. I feel like just telling him, just open it already. Why is it crinkling so much? And I think I'm just gonna use that as the envelope outside. And for these, I like to use the double-sided tape. And I'm not sure. I'll use these. These are my old creative memories. Oh, these aren't creative memories. These are generic ones. That was like a solid, like, couple minutes of crinkling. That was pretty impressive. All right, so we're having fun today doing this. I'm excited about the style. There we go. And the double-sided tape works good for these. These are like vellum pockets, so they're kind of see-through. And that right on there. And then I'll probably just paper clip it, I'm thinking. I've got this rose gold paper clip, and then that'll give us some room to add some doodads. But I'll set that aside. Maybe go around this. Really need that black background, so we'll get rid of that. I think that's good enough. Ink around there. I'll show you this little piece. I might have to put some gesso on it. It's kind of reflective. Maybe a little. Actually, I might use my corner deal here. I wonder what one I should use. This one. Little more subtle, maybe. Now I can ink that around. Walnut stain here. Not getting in those corners very well. I really don't want the white showing. It doesn't look good. Okay. Oh, a little more. All right, hopefully. Tobacco flower, tobacco plant. I don't know if I really want that, actually. Let me see here. This one, that looks better. And I wish I had, oh, I do have some pink. I'm thinking I want to ink some pink. Feeling pink. Right, yeah, that's cute. So now we've got this, now we've got, that looks kind of good. I've got a little lace maybe. We'll get this figured out one of these times. I think that's it. I think that's the one, the winner. And then this pocket will go down here. I think that will do it. Okay. Slide her down. Oop, forgot the lace. There we go. That looks pretty good. Yeah. Oh, you know, looking neat. There's like a little crochet bit, but I do have this kind of grayish blue. Yeah. I guess that'll work. We'll give it a try. Okay, so what shape do I want this to be? Maybe just like that. And then we're gonna want this bit. Safety pin there, and then we'll just kind of glue that bit on there. Yeah, it looks really pretty. And I think we'll just glue that top bit, not the whole thing, but we're going to use a lot of glue, and hopefully it doesn't, like, you know, soak through too much or anything. All right, let's see how this goes. And then, if we want, we can add some information to the front and the back of these cards about this person. So that's kind of nice. And this, I did have a bow. Let's see if we can use this and see how it goes. Little ribbon. Try that again. There we go. Just kind of subtle, nothing too wild and crazy. I like this pink. It's nice and light color. There we go. But this one, we'll just do the one in the corner up there. There we go. That way if they flip over, you still have a nice little deal. Okay. And then we've got our envelope. I think that says baby girl for sure. So, and we still have our style. All right. Well, that was actually pretty easy. I did a lot of prep work, but in the end, it was pretty easy. So then we can add like a little card, and I had a card. Oh, here it is. And then we can add, the card isn't the only thing you can add, but it's got 2 places to add written information. And then we've got our rose gold paper clip there. You can see that. Hold on, I'll just, sorry, I got it. All right, there we go. There. All set. And now we have another page done. Perfect. All right, so that was pretty quick and easy, so pretty nice, and I hope you found this helpful. And while I'm doing this series, every single video I'll have will have the link to the table of contents and guide to creating your ancestor junk journal. So it's basically the format that I use for, the order and everything for the pedigree chart in the beginning, and then what I include all throughout. So the link for that, it's a digital in my Etsy shop. If you're interested, you can grab that. If you like these videos and you're interested in seeing more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do ancestor junk journals and just anything junk journals. So all right, well, as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.